Hello, my dears. Today I want to talk about a topic, a small one. And in simple terms, it's the laws of the universe. I will list a few, yes, and we will work through them a little bit. So we'll start right away. This is the law, the first law, the law of free will. We have free will. I think you all know we have it. So that's why no one has no right to interfere in your life, just as you have no right to interfere in anyone else's life. It's one thing to give advice, but you can't interfere. Further, the next law is the law of cause and effect. So it's always saying that every action we take leads to something. Or if you just sit there and do nothing, that also leads to certain consequences. So pay attention to it too. The following law is a law of attraction. So we attract things simply in this life, as they say, what we think about. That is, it has always been, and so it will be. So always be careful with your thoughts. You know that we have a thought. It's material. That is, I will touch later on other laws, that is more profound laws. The ones I am saying now, they are simple, in simple words. So be sure to think about what you are talking about. The law of balance. This one right here is probably one of the basic laws that I adhere to. I mean, when you take something from somewhere, if you take something, you have to fill it up, because if you don't, they'll take it away from you. I mean, it's connected with esotericism very, very directly. So you can't get away from it here. The next law is the law of feelings. That is, it is obligatory, it is always necessary to show your feelings. That is, you can't hide them, That is, one should express oneself, one should speak. That is, you must always keep your feelings inside, because you know, if we keep any problems inside, they come to the physical level, that is, to some problems, to some troubles. That's why this law is very serious in this regard. And, by the way, the law of feelings is very much connected with experience, strange as it may seem. I mean, that's because if you don't show your feelings, you will stand in one place. That is, you will not move. You will be always spinning in your something. That is, you will be in your problems in this spinning. So this law also plays such a role here, one of the main ones. The next law is expectation and reality. That is, when you expect something supernatural, something that is beyond your pocket, beyond your power. I mean, yes, you can plan and dream and all that, but waiting for it is useless, because the universe gives you exactly what you deserve. And let's say, again, according to your strength. That is this law. And the next law is the law of trust in the universe. That is one of the most powerful laws. That is when you really have to trust. Trust that what you have in your life for a reason. I mean, when we start having these things, crying, why do I need this? Why do I need that? That is, only later you realize why it happened in your life. That is why you need to trust. Trust the higher forces, trust your kin, I mean kin, all the rest. That is why there must be trust. That is, trust in the higher powers is obligatory when everything will work out for you. That is, I have now told a little bit in a simple way, briefly, about these. Well, I have taken 7 laws, that is the laws that I use mostly, that I adhere to. But also, that is, because we have a very interesting person created. I'll just touch on one law a little more so. It is to take someone else's things, because this law of balance, it is included here. If you have taken something from somewhere, you can be taken away if you have not given it back. And because, again, our mentality is not very good. It's not a mentality, it's a person. It's about wanting to take more from someone all the time. From someone. So here we have to be very, very careful, because they will definitely take it away. They will take much more than you took from someone. So this is also a very interesting point. So please never take from someone else. That's all my good ones. That was a brief overview of these laws. I will touch on more serious, more complex ones. Perhaps you will be interested in it too. So please write in the comments how interesting it is to you. And we'll go from there. All the best. Subscribe to my channel. Put likes, comments. Hit the bell, then you'll know when I go live and when my videos come out. Goodbye, my darlings.